MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MissUniqueBeautii. The hair that I'll be using in today's video was sent to me by a company called Crochet Hair on Amazon, and they were kind enough to send me their 24-inch Burgundy new locks. And I am going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you guys so that you guys can see exactly how this hair comes. Now, this hair comes in a 6-pack bundle, and in the package you will also receive a few hair accessories along with a crochet needle that you can use to install the hair. Now, you will also have 21 strands per bundle, so you will have more than enough hair to complete your desired style. Now, the cap that I'll be using in today's video is the Free Tress Headband Crochet Wig Cap. I've already went ahead and secured the wig cap to the mannequin head. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin crocheting these new locks to the cap. Now, what I will say about these new locks is, to me, they did feel like they were on the skinnier side of new locks that I usually work with. So I did notice that right off the back, which will allow these new locks to be extremely lightweight as well. So if you want new locks that aren't as thick as other new locks, then these new locks are the new locks for you, because they are a lot skinnier, as I stated before. Now, the loops on these new locks were super duper easy to work with. I did not have any issues with working with these new locks at all. Now, I am going to go ahead and do my staggering method throughout this entire cap, and all that is me crocheting a new lock in between the new locks that I crocheted in the previous row, as I am demonstrating right here for you guys. So I am going to go ahead and use about 1.5 pack in this entire back section, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I complete the side section of the wig. I do want to let you guys know that I am having a huge wig sale in the beginning of October, and this wig sale will include just about all of the wigs that I have reviewed for you guys on my channel, and this does include handmade wigs that I create myself. Now, if you guys are interested in me making any other wig aside from that, you will also have that option as well. So just stay tuned. It is in the works. I am getting some stuff together for you guys just so that I can have that wig sale ready for you guys in October. I also would love for you guys to comment down below any other video ideas that you guys would like me to create for you guys. I do want to let you guys know that I am going to be starting a new series on my channel soon, which is using a sewing machine to create different types of wigs and hair pieces. So if you guys are interested in that, please stay tuned for that. That series would be perfect for anyone who wants to start up their own hair company or their own wig selling company. That series would be perfect for you guys. Now, for the side section of the wig, I am going to start off by crocheting the new locks along the edges of the wig cap just to create a foundation for my staggering method on the side of the cap. Now, once I've gotten that foundation down, I am going to go ahead and continue with doing my staggering method throughout this middle section of this side section. Also, for this side section, I did go ahead and use one bundle of this hair in this entire side section. I did go ahead and crochet the next side section exactly how I crocheted this side section, so I am going to go ahead and skip along and show you guys exactly how I crocheted the front section of this wig. Now for the front section of this wig, I am going to go ahead and crochet each new lock right next to each other, and you want to make sure that you do that because this is the part of the wig that will be styled the most, and this is where people see the most as well. So you want to make sure that you don't see any gaps or anything like that in this front section. That's why you want to make sure that you are literally crocheting these new locks right next to each other in the front. This is what the front section of the wig is looking like after I went ahead and crocheted the new locks right next to each other. And as you guys can see, the front section of this wig is very full and concealed. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this top section with doing my staggering method and making sure everything is nice and full. Now if I do have any hair left over, I am going to go ahead and use the remainder of the hair to fill in areas of the wig that I feel may need a little bit more coverage in the wig as well. This is what the completed wig is looking like after I went ahead and installed all 6 packs of the hair into the wig. Very quick disclaimer, please do not use this blonde wig cap underneath your crochet wigs. Make sure that the wig cap is a black wig cap. That will be looking a lot more natural underneath your crochet wigs. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my headband around my neck first, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head from back to front. Now, once I've gotten that wig positioned exactly how I want it to be on my head, I am going to go ahead and secure the headband wig strap in the back and make sure that those combs are by the temple areas of my head. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply this cute floral headband to the front of my hair, and this is pretty much the completed look. Now you can go ahead and style your wig as you please, and that is pretty much it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get into my slow-mo so that you guys can get into the movement, the texture, and just the everything about this wig. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any suggestions or questions that you guys may have. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!